Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Systematic Way to Physics. In this video, I'm going to explain MCQ about electrostatics. And the question is, a body is positively charged. It implies that A option, there is only positive charge in the body. B option, there is positive as well as negative charge in the body, but the positive charge is more than negative charge. C option is, there is equal positive and negative charge in the body, but the positive charge lies in the outer region. And D option is, negative charge is displaced from its position. And the answer is B option. There is positive as well as negative charge in the body, but the positive charge is more than negative charge. The reason is that any body is charged by the transfer of electrons. If the body gains electrons, it is said to be a negatively charged body. And if the body loses electrons, then it is said to be a positively charged body. In this case, body has lost electrons. That is why it has less number of electrons than protons. That is why the body is said to be a positively charged body.